Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a subtitle track for your videos on YouTube. Now the first thing that you need to do is to create a text file like this one, which contains all of the audio or the dialogue that you want to appear as the subtitles, and you want each line of the text file to be one line, will appear as one line of subtitles. So for the first thing to do is just create a text file like this. You don't worry about the timings just yet. So you see
Exercise 1.
Exercise 1.
In this video, you will see a sentence that uses the verb to be to describe a role or relationship.
Okay, so this video is about teaching English to people learning English from other countries. So the idea is that I'm going to have this translated into lots of languages. But first I need to put the timings in so that doesn't need to be done over and over again. So once you have your completed text file, then we need to create the timings. And to do that, we use another piece of software. You're also going to need an offline version of your video. So you could use the original file you uploaded, but if you don't have that anymore, you can go to your videos page and you can download your video here. So here's the video, English lesson 1, verb to be exercise 1, and if you click on this button here, then you see download MP4. So you click that and download the file so you have an offline version of it. Okay, then you want to go search for this piece of software. It's called DivXland Media Subtitler. So search for that. The first thing that comes up is this one. So this is the program that will take your text file and enable you to add in the time codes. So download and run this program. I've already downloaded it, so it looks like this. So when that opens up, you've got two parts to this program. There's the left-hand side where the subtitles are, and the right-hand side where you see the video. So we need to open the text file with the subtitles and the video file, so we can then work on them together. So we go open text file, and we choose the right file, and now each line of text appears like this. And at the moment, this is where it shows the time codes, but those are blank at the moment, so we're going to add them in. But first of all, we need to load up the video over here. So we go File, Open Video, and I think it's going to be that one. Okay, so now we're ready to go. If we play the video.
Exercise 1. In this video, you will...
So, now what we do is we need to select from here, press and hold. And now when we play the video, what we do is we press and hold down the apply button while we want this subtitle to appear. Okay, so here we go.
Exercise 1. In this video, you will see a sentence that uses the verb to be to describe a role or relationship. Read and listen to the sentences and decide if the verb is in the correct or incorrect form.
Okay, so all I was doing there was pressing and holding the button when I wanted each line of text to appear, and you see it's automatically put in the time codes or the frame numbers for where each subtitle will appear and disappear, basically. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the whole video, do all the subtitles, but you don't need to see that, so I'll pause the video while I do that. Okay, so now I've put in all of the timings for all of the lines of the subtitles. Now what I can do is I can go to preview only, and I can play the video.
Exercise 1.
I can play the video to check that all the timings are correct. So if I jump to the middle here.
You is my cousin.
You see.
Correct. This sentence is wrong.
So, now the next thing we need to do is to save this file with the subtitles. So we go save as. Now there's lots of different formats, but I go for subrep SRT because that is one of the ones that works on YouTube, and I've never had any problems with it. So subrep OK, and then we decide what we want to save it as. Subtitles to be size 1 English. Okay, so we can get rid of the program now, and here's the file we just created. So you see now it's got it's added the information about, it's numbered each line, and it's got the time codes for where each line is to appear and disappear. Now you could just create a text file and add these numbers manually, but using the subtitling program is a lot quicker. So now we need to upload that to our YouTube account along with the video. So we go to our videos, find the one we want, and we go edit info and captions and subtitles. So here's the video, and we need to add new track. And so I put in the file here, and that is a caption file which includes time codes, and then we say what it is, in which language, and it's English, and we can add an extra name if you wanted to, but I don't want to in this case. And then we click upload file, and it appears here. Now because now I've got a real transcription subtitle track, I don't want the machine transcription to appear as an option, because this often, although it's quite good, it often has lots and lots of mistakes. So I want people to see the real transcription, not the machine one. Okay, so now we can check if the video is working okay.
Exercise 1. In this video, you will see a sentence that uses the verb to be to describe a role or relationship.
So you see our subtitles are appearing. Now your viewers will be able to see this subtitle track here under the options, and if they go to the settings, they can change the colour, the size of the text and things with these buttons. But that's something that your viewers do. It's a setting that they have. It's not something that you have control over. So they can view the video however they want. Okay, so also we can now translate these automatically. So because we've got a subtitle track that we know is correct because we did it ourselves, the translation should be quite good. So let's say we could translate this into let's find Spanish. Okay.
Exercise 1. In this video, you will see a sentence that uses the verb to be to describe a role or relationship.
Obviously this translation isn't going to be perfect because it's just done by Google, and you can do it manually and then just add new caption or transcript and add it as a different language, and then again you'll know that that's a good translation. So I hope that's helpful, and good luck with your videos.